How does the EU ensure the free movement of goods? This video explores the fundamental principles of EU law governing this freedom. Discover the legal framework that facilitates seamless trade across member states. The EU's internal market relies on free movement of goods. Articles 28 to 36 of the TFEU outline these principles. Goods and services are defined broadly, encompassing both tangible and intangible items. The European Court of Justice plays a crucial role in interpreting these definitions. This ensures a harmonized approach across member states. Fiscal barriers like customs duties are prohibited within the EU. Charges having equivalent effects are also banned. The ECJ has clarified these concepts through various cases. Discriminatory internal taxation is not allowed. This ensures fair competition among member states. Regulatory barriers are also restricted under EU law. Quantitative restrictions on imports and exports are prohibited. The Dassenville formula helps interpret these measures. The goal is to prevent any hindrance to trade. This ensures goods move freely within the EU. Some restrictions on free movement are justified. Public morality and security are valid reasons. Health and life protection also allow for restrictions. The ECJ interprets these justifications in case law. Such measures must be non-discriminatory and proportionate. EU law provides remedies for illegal charges. Equalization and state liability are key remedies. National courts play a role in enforcing these rights. The ECJ ensures uniform application across the EU. This framework supports fair trade practices. Goods include anything with commercial value. This includes physical and incorporeal items. Services involve eliminating discrimination based on nationality. The EU aims to harmonize national access rules. This ensures seamless service provision across borders. This is a main call-out for this scene. It brings into focus the core idea being discussed. The EU forms a customs union among member states. This abolishes import tariffs and quotas. A common external tariff applies to non-members. The EU has similar agreements with other regions. This facilitates free movement of goods and services. New customs duties and equivalent charges are prohibited. Article 30 of the TFEU enforces this rule. The ECJ has clarified these principles through cases. This prevents fiscal measures from hindering trade. The aim is to maintain a seamless internal market. Internal taxation must be non-discriminatory. Article 110 of the TFEU enforces this. Similar goods must be taxed equally across the EU. The ECJ has ruled on various cases to ensure fairness. This supports a level playing field for all member states. Articles 34 to 37 of the TFEU address quantity restrictions. These prohibit measures that limit imports or exports. The ECJ interprets these rules through case law. This ensures goods move freely within the EU. Such measures must not create trade barriers. MEQRs are trading rules that hinder trade. The Dassenville case defines these measures. They include non-fiscal trade barriers. The ECJ's interpretation is broad and inclusive. This prevents any obstruction to free movement within the EU. Article 36 of the TFEU allows some exceptions. Public policy and security justify restrictions. Health protection is another valid reason. The ECJ ensures these exceptions are not arbitrary. They must be necessary and proportionate. Cassis de Dijon case introduced mandatory requirements. These justify restrictions beyond TFEU reasons. Public health and consumer protection are examples. The ECJ requires non-discriminatory application. This ensures fair treatment of all EU goods. Derogations are exceptions to free movement rules. Article 36 of the TFEU outlines these. Public policy and security are key reasons. The ECJ ensures these are not disguised trade restrictions. Derogations must be narrowly construed. Dual burdens occur when goods face multiple regulations. The ECJ has addressed these in case law. Such measures are indirectly discriminatory. They impose extra costs on imported goods. The goal is to eliminate these burdens for fair trade. National courts provide remedies for EU law breaches. The ECJ ensures these remedies are effective. Equivalence and effectiveness are key principles. Financial compensation is often questioned. Remedies must ensure real judicial protection. Fiscal barriers like customs duties are prohibited. The ECJ has clarified these principles. Discriminatory taxation is not allowed. The goal is to ensure fair competition. This supports the seamless internal market. Goods include anything with commercial value. This encompasses physical and incorporeal items. Services involve eliminating nationality-based discrimination. The EU harmonizes national access rules. This ensures seamless service provision. The EU forms a customs union among member states. This abolishes import tariffs and quotas. A common external tariff applies to non-members. The EU has similar agreements with other regions. This facilitates free movement of goods. In conclusion, understanding EU law on the free movement of goods is essential for recognizing how the European Union promotes economic integration and removes barriers to trade. This fundamental principle ensures that goods can move freely between member states without discriminatory restrictions, customs duties, or unjustified obstacles. By examining rules such as the prohibition of quantitative restrictions and measures having equivalent effect, learners can appreciate how the EU fosters fair competition, strengthens the internal market, and supports economic growth. A solid understanding of this area highlights the importance of legal harmonization in facilitating cross-border trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.